Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax here at the Dallas Yacht Center on Lake Louisville. Today I want to show you a brokerage boat. It's a 2003 Sea Ray 400 Sedan bridge boat. Clean boat. This is a freshwater lake, been stored undercover. The gel coat, everything on it looks perfect. I want to show you some cool things about it. You can tell they got the sea deck back here on the swim platform. It's nice. Area back here that was just recently added, nice and clean. Nice cockpit back here, plenty of room. I like the overhang. I got a little bit of built-in shade. You don't have to worry about a bimini top. You know, in this section of the boat, it's really cool. Great seating here in the back. We'll walk up here in a minute to go check out the fly bridge, but look at the steps. What I like about them is they're safe. It's not some wood steps on a pedestal. These are molded in fiberglass steps with handrails getting up to the bridge. Great if you got little kids, grandkids, something like that. Let's go inside and take a look. So, if you're in the market for like a 2-bedroom condo on the water with 2 bathrooms, 2 heads, 2 showers, man, you can't get a more comfortable boat than this. So when you first walk into the sliding glass door across the back, you notice it's all at one level. There is good lights here. We got the drapes closed just to get some sun off of us. So you're gonna notice on the side this big old long comfortable couch, and this is a couch like they used to build it back in the day, where you sit down in it, it's soft, it's plush. You're gonna love taking a nap here. But it's pretty cool too. I can hit a button over there. This is electric. It'll lay down flat for a bed, cool bed right here on this great sofa. Very comfortable. Also, they upgraded the TV. You can see here. So watch the game right there. Comfortable. I love the companion sofa right here. Very nice. Another nice thing you're gonna see is you got a designated dinette up here. Again, the windows in the morning, you're eating breakfast, you can see all over the water, see the lake, see where you're at, really cool. But again, soft and plush, great seating here. Pretty cool storage compartments everywhere on the boat. I'm not going to show you them all, but here's always a favorite, is your pull-out little bar right here. Going down to the galley, this is a huge galley for a 40-foot boat to have this much room, this much salon seating, this designated dinette. But look how big this galley is. Full-size refrigerator, so you got a huge freezer on the top, big refrigerator on the bottom, but storage galore down here. Even in the back corners, I did a lazy Susan to wrap around. All this is storage, coffee makers built in, everything works. Great on the boat. Nice spot for the microwave. Talk about more storage for somebody who really wants to be on a boat and stay on a boat all the time. Look at this, you got a little pantry in here. How nice is that to keep all your stuff too? The first room we're going to go into, this is the guest room back here in the back. So it's little twin beds. They upgraded the TVs in here too, so you can see that. So you got twin beds. You can probably push them together and make one if you want, or leave them separated. Nice closet, upgraded TV. And then stepping forward a little bit, we're going to see the day head and shower. So this is going to be for your guests during the day. Separate shower. Really nice. Great storage compartments in there. We're going to move forward here a little bit on the boat. This is the master forward. Room, seating, unbelievable. 2 big closets, storage everywhere, very comfortable forward bed on here. There is some lights behind each curtains forward. I got them closed again right now. But nice cedar line closets, you know, like they used to do. Both sides are closets. And so this one, you're going to have your own private head and shower, separate shower in the front. Look at that. So much room in there. And it's in great shape. Beautiful boat, well maintained on a freshwater lake. 2 staterooms, 2 heads, 2 showers. Great galley, tons of storage and room everywhere. A lot of natural light if you want it, or close the doors and close the drapes, and it's nice and cool and protected if that's what you're going for too. Let's see why everybody likes the Sedan bridge. Let's go up top and check it out here. Again, look how easy it is just walking up here. No hands needed, just walk on up. This boat does have the diesel engines on it. It's a Cummins. It's got about a little less than 700 hours on them. So for diesels, that's a light use for sure. And also the diesel generator we got running right now. I'm drifting a little close over here, so I'm just going to fire up the engines real quick and back away for a minute. It does have radar, GPS, the original electronics on the boat, so it's probably time for an upgrade. They do work, but maybe time for an upgrade if you want to upgrade a little bit. And boy, what I love about these diesel engines, you know, you just pop it in gear. There's no need to advance the throttle at all because there's so much torque with these diesel engines. The props are so big. You're just popping in and out of gear, and now I can easily steer the boat without even having to worry about coming over to the throttles, which is really, really cool and easy to do. But now that we're up here on the flybridge, huge wraparound seating. I got a big bimini top, so everybody can be up here, and this is the best view of the lake. You can see the other boats coming in and out. You can watch out for jet skiers. If you're in Party Cove, now you're looking down on everybody else's boat, so you can be private up here, but you're still in the crowd. There is camper canvas that goes on the boat, so in the winter months, if you want to close it up, they do have the camper canvas for it too. And let's take a shot right now since we're up top. Go ahead and look at the bow. Bow pads were added everywhere except for that sun hatch going over the master stateroom. It does have the remote control spotlight. It does have a windlass on the front. So plenty of great areas on this boat to relax, lounge. Again, my name is Robert Moody with MarineMax at the Dallas Yacht Center. This boat is for sale. Please give me a call. My cell phone number is 214-244-5535. If you have any questions about this boat, I'd love to show it to you and see if we can't help you out. Thank you.